Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with GTA 5. While launching the game, you got an error ERR GFX D3D INIT failed initialization. Please reboot and restart the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have overclocked your CPU or GPU, make sure you disable the overclocking of them. After disabling, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending, choose the option download and install. Then scroll down and click on the option advanced options and click on the optional updates. Now here expand driver update. If any kind of firmware update is available, like it is showing right over here, select it and choose the option download and install to make your motherboard drivers up to date. If your motherboard drivers or your BIOS update is not available over here, you need to open up the manufacturer website of your motherboard and you need to download the motherboard drivers and then install them into your PC. And thirdly is, if you are using any kind of third-party antivirus, make sure you disable it. Even I recommend to open the Windows security, go to virus and threat protection, manage settings and turn it off also. Turning off real-time protection as well as make sure to completely uninstall third-party antiviruses from your system. After doing these basic fixes, relaunch the game and check the issue of failed initialization has been fixed or not. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, head over to this PC. From the left pane, click on the option documents over here. Now open Rockstar Games folder. Now open GTA 5 folder. Now right click on the settings file and choose the option open with and click on the option as notepad. Now here you need to change the DirectX version. To do so, press the Ctrl F key and type in DX and hit the enter key. Now you will find the direct version of your game. Instead of 2, first of all change the value to 1. After changing the value to 1, click on the file menu and choose the option save. Then go ahead, launch the game. If again giving you the error, instead of 1, type in 0. Then again click on the file menu and choose the option save. Now go ahead and relaunch the game and this will fix out the issue of GTA ERR GFX failed initialization error while launching the game. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, head over to this PC, again go to the documents folder, Rockstar Games GTA 5 and here you will find profiles folder. Right click on the profile folder and choose the option delete. Now restart your PC and relaunch the game and hopefully this will fix out your issue. And if none of these methods help you fix out the issue, you need to change the direct version in the settings of the game. Launch your game and then open the game settings. In the game settings, under the graphics, you will find the option of DirectX version. From here, from drop down list, choose either 10 or 10.1. Do not choose 11 or 12. Choose the option of DirectX version as 10 or 10.1 and then save the changes and then relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of GTA 5 error GFX D3D failed initialization. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.